How to fix Neverness to Everness is crashing on Steam. So first you will need to go to a library, right click on the game and open up the properties. Now in the launch options box you will need to add -dx11, then go to installed files and click on verify the game files. And once this is completed you can close Steam and then open up your browser. Now you will need to navigate to this link, which is going to be in the description below. And from the redistributable table, you will need to get the 86 installer and the 64 and install both of them. And once you finish the installation, this will ask you to restart your computer. So right after the restart, one thing you need to do as well is check if your GPU has the latest driver updates. For that, you can use the NVIDIA app or the AMD software depending on which GPU you're running. And you can go to drivers and check for the latest available driver and make sure to download and install the update. Now all you need to do is launch Steam as admin, right click on Steam and run as admin, and then just open up the game from your library, and this should solve the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.